Down on Main Street in East Greenwich sits a medieval-style building known as the Varnum Armory, home of the Varnum Continentals. The Varnum Continentals were chartered in 1907 and named after General James Mitchell Varnum, who served as a commander under George Washington. The Varnum Continentals were created to encourage patriotism by passing down the customs and traditions of the American Revolutionary period for future generations. The building began construction in 1913 and served as the headquarters for the group. The building houses the largest collection of Rhode Island military history. The building also housed the Rhode Island National Guard from 1918 to 1994 and the State Guard during World War II and the Korean War. The armory and its collection are cared for by passionate and devoted volunteers. To learn more about the Varnum Armory, visit varnumcontinentals.org.